In the previous video, I explained how cold calling becomes warm calling when a salesperson contacts a qualified prospect. Instead of delivering a generic sales pitch, the conversation focuses on issues that genuinely matter to the customer. In this video, I want to show you how a salesperson can secure permission to engage a qualified prospect in 20 words or less. Imagine you are sitting at your desk working on an important assignment. You're focused, under pressure, and determined to finish what you started. Suddenly the phone rings. What would persuade you to stop what you are doing and pay attention to the person on the other side of the line? The answer is simple. You will listen if the caller immediately speaks to a problem you already know you have. For example, an operations manager at an agricultural business is probably already concerned about rising energy costs as fuel prices continue to increase due to the instability in the Middle East. That problem already has his attention. To earn the right to a conversation, the salesperson must briefly describe the problem and suggest a possible solution. Listen carefully. Do not start by introducing yourself or your company. Do not begin by pitching your product or service. Start by describing the customer's problem clearly and concisely. For example, Mr. X, profit margins for agricultural producers are being squeezed by rising fuel costs. Can we discuss a solution to rising energy expenses? If the customer says yes, you now have permission to continue the conversation. Your next objective is not to sell the solution in detail. At this stage, you are still selling the conversation. Now, in 20 words or less, briefly explain what you do. For example, we provide integrated energy solutions for farmers that reduce energy dependence and lower operating costs through multiple energy sources. Then ask an open-ended question, a question the customer cannot answer with a simple yes or no. For example, what energy sources are you currently using in your operation? If the customer responds thoughtfully, you know they are now engaged in the conversation. Customer engagement is the first major hurdle in the sales process. Your next challenge is to get your bum in the seat across from the customer. You do not want an endless telephone discussion. You need an opportunity to build a real relationship, and that requires a face-to-face meeting. Once the customer has shown a willingness to talk, confidently suggest a meeting. For example, would mornings suit you better or do you prefer afternoons? In the next video, I will discuss an important principle you need to understand before preparing for a face-to-face customer meeting. That is what we'll cover next. For more content like this, visit the Constructum Sales Success YouTube channel. You can also connect with me, Dion de Bruin, on LinkedIn if you need help building your own sales team. Thank you for watching, and all the best with your business.